Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our exciting content. Today we've got something special to talk about. If you're into the world of motorcycles, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda ZH 360. It's one of the most anticipated bikes in the world right now, and for good reason. Honda's been quietly working on this model for a while, and it looks like it's going to completely shake up the motorcycle market. Whether you're a die-hard Honda fan or you're just starting to get into bikes, trust me, this is one you don't want to miss. We'll be talking about its design, performance, features, and everything that makes it stand out in the crowded motorcycle market. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's take an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda ZH 360. Now, before we get into all the specifics, let's take a quick overview of what the Honda ZH 360 actually is. The ZH 360 is part of Honda's new line of sport motorcycles that blends cutting-edge technology with classic Honda reliability. This bike is designed to meet the needs of both experienced riders and beginners alike, combining performance with ease of use. Honda has a long history of producing iconic motorcycles, and with the ZH 360, they've taken their expertise to the next level. It's a versatile machine that promises to deliver an incredible riding experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling twisty backroads. But what makes this particular model so special? Let's get into it. One of the first things that will catch your eye about the 2026 Honda ZH 360 is its sleek and aggressive design. Honda really pushed the envelope with this one, combining futuristic elements with a sporty, yet approachable look. The bodywork is aerodynamic, with sharp lines and a sculpted fuel tank that enhances its visual appeal. The front end of the bike has a sharp, angular look, with a high-performance headlamp design that not only looks cool, but also provides excellent lighting performance during night rides. The 360-degree headlight concept is new, giving the bike an even more aggressive stance, while ensuring maximum visibility for the rider. The seat is designed for both comfort and performance, giving the rider an upright position for city commuting, but also providing the necessary support for those longer, more aggressive rides on twisty roads. Honda's color options are definitely something to talk about as well. The 2026 ZH 360 comes in a variety of finishes, including classic Honda red, matte black, and a new metallic silver that looks absolutely stunning in the sunlight. The color contrast between the frame and the body panels gives the bike a modern, dynamic look that's perfect for riders who want to make a statement on the road. Alright, let's get into the heart of the bike, the engine. The 2026 Honda ZH 360 is powered by a brand new 999cc inline-four engine. It's a significant leap from the previous generation of bikes, which were mostly in the 800cc range, and this engine provides a whole new level of power and excitement. This powerplant is engineered to deliver a smooth, linear power delivery, while also providing an insane amount of top-end performance when you really open the throttle. It's capable of producing around 180 horsepower at peak revs, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its class. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission that's tuned for optimal performance, giving you quick and precise shifts. Honda has also incorporated their latest fuel injection technology, which not only improves fuel efficiency but also ensures a smooth throttle response in all riding conditions. The power-to-weight ratio on the ZH 360 is outstanding, and it offers riders an exhilarating experience whether you're on a racetrack or the open road. On top of that, the bike features an upgraded exhaust valve timing EVT system that increases the low-end torque for better acceleration off the line. This makes the ZH 360 a fantastic bike for both city commuting and more spirited rides on twisty mountain roads. When it comes to a high-performance bike like the ZH 360, you need a suspension system that can handle the power. Honda didn't hold back when it came to suspension. The bike comes equipped with Showa fully adjustable suspension, front and rear. This means you can tweak your suspension settings to match your riding style, whether you're looking for a more comfortable ride on bumpy roads or stiffening things up for track days. The front suspension features a 43mm inverted fork, while the rear gets a Pro-Link monoshock system that allows for superior handling and stability, even at high speeds or on uneven terrain. The suspension works in harmony with the bike's chassis to give you that connected, responsive feel that's so important for a bike in this category. Speaking of the chassis, the lightweight aluminum frame is designed for maximum rigidity and stability, which helps keep the bike stable during high-speed cornering. Honda's engineers have also focused on reducing weight wherever possible, making the ZH360 one of the lightest bikes in its class. Of course, no performance bike would be complete without top-notch brakes. The 2026 Honda ZH360 is equipped with dual 320mm disc brakes at the front and a single 240mm disc at the rear, all paired with the latest Brembo calipers for incredible stopping power. What's great about these brakes is that they're combined with Honda's CIBS cornering anti-lock braking system. This system helps prevent the wheels from locking up in critical situations, allowing for more control when braking hard, especially around corners. It's a safety feature that could be a lifesaver when you're pushing the bike to its limits. In addition to CABS, the ZH360 comes with a host of other safety features, including traction control, ride modes, and electronic throttle control. These systems are all designed to enhance the rider's experience and ensure that the bike performs optimally under different riding conditions. The bike also comes with a 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit, which continuously monitors the bike's orientation and adjusts power delivery, braking, and cornering stability in real time. Now, let's talk about the technology packed into this bike. The 2026 Honda ZH360 is equipped with a 5-inch TFT color display, which gives you all the information you need in a clear, easy-to-read format. The display shows things like speed, revs, fuel level, and navigation information if you're using the built-in Honda Connect app. The bike also features a smartphone integration via Bluetooth, so you can sync your phone to the bike's display for music, calls, and navigation. You can control everything from the handlebars without taking your hands off the grips, making it super convenient for long rides. And that's not all. The ZH360 also includes adaptive cruise control, which is a first for Honda in this class. It allows you to set a cruising speed, and the bike will adjust its throttle to maintain that speed, even if traffic conditions change. It's a great feature for long highway rides, reducing fatigue and keeping you comfortable over longer distances. When you hop on the 2026 Honda ZH360, you're immediately struck by how well everything is integrated. The bike feels solid, but not too heavy, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for riders of all sizes. The seat height is adjustable, so you can tailor it to your preference, whether you're on a leisurely ride or pushing the bike to its limits on the racetrack. The foot pegs are positioned perfectly for aggressive riding, but also comfortable enough for long trips. The handlebars have a slight rise, which encourages an upright posture that reduces strain on your back and wrists during long rides. And while the bike is undoubtedly built for performance, Honda has kept comfort in mind. The seat is cushioned to provide support, and the suspension soaks up most road imperfections, giving you a smoother ride. Whether you're cruising or going full throttle, the ZH360 is designed to keep you comfortable throughout your journey. So, there you have it, the 2026 Honda ZH360. This bike is the perfect combination of power, technology, and design. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into the world of motorcycles, the ZH360 is definitely something to get excited about. It's got everything you could want in a performance bike, from its cutting-edge tech to its incredible handling and breathtaking looks. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Honda ZH360, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Also, drop a comment below and let me know